Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn some of the important idioms with their meanings. An idiom is a phrase whose meaning cannot be understood from the literal meanings of the words, but is understood through common uses. English idioms are an important part of everyday English. They come up all the time in both written and spoken English. Because they don't always make sense literally, you will need to familiarize yourself with the meaning and uses of each idiom. Learning to use common idioms and expressions will make your English sound more native, so it is a good idea to master some of these idioms. In this video, we will learn some important idioms along with their meanings. First one is break a leg. Break a leg means good luck. Next is spill the beans. Spill the beans means reveal a secret. Next is hit the sack. Hit the sack means to go to sleep. Next is piece of cake. Piece of cake means very easy. Next is under the weather. Under the weather means feeling sick. Next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means rarely. Next is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation. Next is cold feet. Cold feet means to become nervous before something. Next is hit the books. Hit the books means study hard. Next is let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret.